Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to install NetData monitoring tool on Debian 12. NetData is a free and open source monitoring tool that monitors various services and system performance in real time, including CPU usage, disk activity, bandwidth usage, and more. The web-based interface allows users to easily monitor all aspects on one page. Check the OS version using following command. Install NetData by running the kickstart.sh script by using following command. Check the status of NetData service by using following command. Go to the activities and open the Firefox browser. Search the IP address with the port number. This is the dashboard of NetData. The NetData installation process has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.